What's up, everybody? This is really inexpensive, and especially on public land, which here in Missouri you're not allowed to put them on public land, but I know a lot of places you are. If you're wanting to get them high angles that everybody's talking about, to where people ain't stealing them and they're not walking up on them as much, and you kind of get a good angle of the deer too, which for camera's sake I put it down here low, but you can put it up at any height. And the good thing about this is you can tilt it to whatever angle you want. You can even put it down here low like this, you know, and turn it like that. It's a DIY trail camera holder. There's really not much to it at all. It's just two lag bolts, and you got to make sure that you get the right size for your trail camera. This one right here, I guess most newer ones are probably going to be a 1/4 inch. At least all mine are. This one fits perfect. It's a 1/4 inch lag bolt with, looks like one smaller washer and one bigger washer, and a nut on the end of. There's another bolt that connects them together, and you use a nut to tighten it up. But you just get it kind of just tight enough to where it's not going to come loose, but that you can pivot this, you know, because you want it to rotate just enough to where you can move it to where you want it. Like I said, that's really all there is to it. I think the entire setup was $1.89. So you can get this stuff at any hardware store, probably even Walmart, or maybe even the dollar store. Like I said, it's $1.89 total. It ain't gonna cost you much of nothing. You can make several of them, paint them. My buddy's the one that came up with this idea. I wish I did, but I'm sharing it with y'all. So go out and make you some, since they're so cheap, and I mean, they work perfect. Also, real quick, I wanted to let you know, if you're putting them up on them high angles, up high, where you don't really know what the picture quality is going to be, what you can do is figure out, you know, which angle. Say you got it tilted like that, which angle you want, and then you flip your camera over to selfie mode and make sure your lenses match up exactly with that, and take a picture. And that picture is going to show you pretty close, in general, the picture you're going to get of the deer. And that's just a quick tip to save you trouble of putting a memory card in there, taking a picture, having to pull it up on your phone or your computer or whatever and look and see what it looks like. You could just snap a selfie and you know kind of what it's going to be. And if you move the angle, just do it again. So that's just another quick tip to help you when you're setting these up. But like I said, this is just a great little idea. I'm going to make several of them. Thanks for watching.